Today we're going to be installing a custom exhaust that I've made myself, starting with this Y pipe. I took the factory flanges, which unfortunately are a little bit warped, so I'm going to be using some gasket maker. If that doesn't work, then I'm going to have to cut them off. What I've done here, I'll get a better camera angle for you in a minute, is I've taken two pieces of 2.5 inch and I lined them up with no mathematical certainty at all. I took them, I stood the pipes like this on an angle, kind of overlapping each other, and just kind of eyeballed it, and then I cut the side of the pipe out. And then after that, I put them together and, just worked them until they fit perfectly. At the bottom, I knocked them out a little bit and flared just this outside edge right here to meet up with the 3-inch exhaust. After that, obviously just extended it. I had to keep it far enough back from the flanges to be able to work myself down in the middle here and everything. But overall, super happy with it. Never done anything like this before. It turned out really good, and I'll show you the rest of the exhaust here. So here's what we're working with. I got my 3-inch tubing going all the way to the back with a bullet muffler that I had ordered off of Summit Racing, so it'll do absolutely nothing. It's literally just there. Backstory behind this is this exhaust was actually built for a 2002 Honda Civic that I had a Type R K-swap going into, and I ended up parting the car out, selling the engine regrettably, because that was the most fun engine that I've ever had the pleasure of enjoying. So yeah, I ended up, the front bends worked perfectly off of, I think I just had to shorten it, but the actual bends right here worked perfectly the way I had it welded for the Civic. I just had to cut down here and shorten this piece up. I didn't have to touch any of the bends, and the rest is, some of these were already welded from previously, some of them are new. And once it's on, it'll be angled up to the left out the back bumper. So that's how I had it before, with two 2.5 inch. I don't have a polished tip or anything, but I really don't care. This is all aluminized, I think they call it aluminized steel. So it's not stainless. I don't have anything to weld stainless with, and I honestly don't really care. This exhaust is already years old and there's no rust on it, so yeah, let's get into the install. Oh, there's the Y pipe installed. Meeting up to some eBay headers wrapped. And I do have a Wideband O2 that I just installed. I went with AEM. Well, let's continue on. Well, this is it. Super excited. Got the battery relocated over, it's all hooked up. Just for fun so we can see it, I'm gonna throw the bumper on. Why not? So this is take 3. I ended up having to replace the battery, but it was showing 12.4 volts. I was getting power everywhere, and when I turned over, there was no click or anything, so it didn't seem like a dead battery. I went ahead and replaced the starter because it was original to the engine, and that didn't fix it. I tested everything on the car, and it wound up being the battery. So that was fun. Now we can finally start this thing up. Now I've heard it, so that kind of sucks, but I think you're going to enjoy this. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.